Hi, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. My name is Nastona Hilda, a medical student at Gulu University. Have you ever been in a place and ever gotten lost? Have you ever wondered how to go back to a place that you've ever been to and you still don't know the directions? Today I'll be showing you how to avoid getting lost in different places here using Google Maps. So today basically I'll be talking about Google Maps. So first of all, we live in different places. You may come to a place you may come to a certain place when you don't know one. When you actually blank about that place, that doesn't mean that you have to panic or you have to have issues with any place where you are in. As long as you have Google Maps on your phone or on your computer, you can easily access different places. You can easily even get locations to places that you've never tried before. So today I'll be talking about Google Maps. Like I told you, the first thing to do is to open up Google Chrome, you move to these 9 bars, then you come to Google Maps. So you open up Google Maps. First of all, it's showing location. Since we're in Uganda, Kampala, Google Maps is showing, since we're in Uganda, Google Maps is showing one of my recent places. It's showing some places, wherever you want to go, where you want to stay at, and everything. But specifically, I'm going to be talking about Gulu. Have you ever wondered how a place looks like before you go before you go to that place? That's what you're going to do. Just in case you've never come to Gulu, you can search Gulu on Google Map that you can see. So here they show you some of the places in Gulu University and how they look like. You can see. So these are some of the photos people posted on Google Maps to show you how Gulu specifically looks like. That's how Gulu looks like for those who've never been here. This is what Gulu looks like. So this is Gulu for you. The roads, the places, each and everything in Gulu. The houses, these beautiful houses in Gulu University. That's how they look like. But that's not all. If you want to zero in on something, for instance, you want to come to Gulu and you don't want to get lost, you want to come to here they are showing a variety of hotels in Gulu University that you can come to. Like there is Boma Hotel, they show you its direction. There is this hotel, there is this, all with different names. So specifically, like this gives you a chance to look at the different hotels. Like we have Boma Hotel, we have Lovana, we have Tinama. All these, they give even where exactly to get these hotels. So I want to narrow in a little bit. Now for instance, Basma Hostel, Gulu. You've never come to Basma, you've never come to Gulu, and you're wondering how to get to Basma. It shows you. We've got the Faculty of Agriculture here, Gulu Faculty of Agriculture. We have hostels near to Basma. We have Temugumi, we have Florida, we have Comfort, we have Mandela. If you're a new student to Gulu University and you're asking yourself how to get a hostel, how to get to the hostel you want to get to, Google Maps helps you to get access to such information. Now let's have a closer look at Basma Hostel. Now this is Basma. So this is Basma. We want to have a look at like, okay, you may want to share this location to someone else from this place. You want to give people this, you want people to know where you are. You want people to know want people to know where you are exactly, you want people to help you out, you can share, and you can see places relevant to that. Something else, you want to search Google University. You want to look for Google University. As you can see, Google University in relevance to Basma. So it shows you the main parts of Google University. You can zoom into these places to have a closer look. Now that's Google University for you. It shows you the library, the guest house, and so on. The office of the academic registrar, the university clinic, that's Google University. Then this is the main road, the road where you can branch from to move to hostels nearer to that. So this is I wanted to show you how to use Google Maps, and I've shown you how to use Google Maps. As long as you turn on your location, then you move to Google Maps, can show you where to move, which direction to take as you're moving. It shows you exactly you are and how to move to the nearest place. You can look at hotels nearer to where you are, to restaurants nearer to where you are. As you can see, for vacational rentals, they can show all places nearer to this. Maybe looking for the hotels nearer to that. So thank you so much for staying tuned to my YouTube channel. That's it for today's video. I hope you don't get lost, because Google Maps is always there to help you out. I remain Asuna Hilda, medical student at Google University.